Hi everybody, my name is Alyssa and I'm the head of marketing over here at Headliner, and today I'm going to be walking you through one of the latest and greatest updates regarding your Headliner account. So what is the update exactly? Headliner can now allow you to auto-post audiograms directly to TikTok. So just like we do for YouTube, we just do this process for TikTok now. And the process is very easy to do and it really takes no time at all. Start getting your lovely audiograms posted to TikTok. So to do this, all you'll need to do is log into your Headliner account and then click on this Automatic Audiograms button. And then from here, you'll just start going through the flow of creating an automatic audiogram. So first thing, you just find your podcast or you drop in your RSS feed, select the language, click next, and then right here, this is where you're going to start actually informing Headliner about where you're going to post. So again, we've always had this YouTube flow set up for you, but now we have TikTok too. So all you'll do, just click on TikTok, select how you want to go ahead and post. So I want it as a TikTok post, and then from here, you're going to have to select auto post to TikTok and answer a few questions over in the TikTok platform. By kind of completing this flow, you are connecting your TikTok account to your Headliner account, and this is going to just allow Headliner to kind of play that middleman and go ahead and auto post all of your lovely audiograms for you. So all you'll do, click continue with TikTok, and then it'll pop you on over to TikTok and you'll start answering some questions here. And once you've completed that form, then you'll be kicked on back on over to Headliner. So now, just like YouTube, you'll start to kind of be able to pull some different levers and to really kind of take more ownership of your content to not only better optimize it, but also improve what you're ranking, giving kind of that searchability and also that OSO. So here you can see that we can edit our captions. And there's a default one right here. Here's a new clip from, and then dynamically Headliner will go ahead and pull in your episode title using some script tagging. However, again, you can edit this and make it your own. So all you'll do is just click that little edit button, and to see what type of script text options we have, just click that little plus button. And like I said, we already have the episode title, but you can also include your podcast and your episode number. So I'm going to go ahead and change this up a little bit just because I am. There's really no reason. But anyways, I'm going to shout out Headliner. So clip made with Headliner AI, new episode, and then scroll on over to the end. Include some hashtags to kind of better optimize it. So we'll do podcast clips, hashtag podcasting, hashtag podcast, marketing. There we go. And then go ahead and click Save Changes. So now we see that I've got some evergreen content over at this very end with my different hashtags, and then also more dynamic content with the episode title and the episode number being pulled in from your RSS feed. And then from here, you're going to go ahead and select who's going to be able to see your videos. So you can do it for only your friends. And you can also set it to private and then go and change these settings later in your actual TikTok account. If you want to kind of check what we're posting before it goes live, totally get that. Just click that button. For me though, I'm fine with everybody seeing it right off the bat. And then I don't care if people comment, duet, and stitch our content. The more eyes, the better in my opinion. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of toggle all of those on. And then especially if you are promoting your podcast, your business, what have you, you're going to go ahead and click that additional details button right there. And then this will allow you to tell TikTok that you are producing branded content. So everything posted from my Headliner account is going to be promotional content promoting Headliner. I'm going to go ahead and check that for your brand. I'm authorized to post for Headliner, and then I'm also connected directly to Headliner's business TikTok account. So I'm going to go ahead and click that one. However, if you are promoting other podcasts or other brands, you'll want to go ahead and toggle this on. Anyways, save changes, and there we go. I have now kind of created all of those things that I need to have an actual TikTok post go live. So we're good with that one, auto post. And then from here, I'm going to allow Headliner's AI to go ahead and select my I do this A, we don't have this in our actual podcast feed. And then B, I want to go ahead and try to batch create. So with every headliner automation, you're not only getting the clip that you see right off the bat, but you're also getting 10 additional clips that you can access from the downloads page. So this really allows you to kind of extend the life of your content and then also get more bang for your buck while you're at it. So anyways, selected the AI, we're good with that, click next, and then from this modal, you'll only be able to do future episodes. However, again, if you go back to projects page, or if you want to edit your existing automation that you're making, you can actually start to tell Headliner to go back to your back catalog. You can do it episodally or by season, however you want. But anyways, from here, I can only do future episodes at the moment, so click that. And then I'm going to choose one of our lovely headliner templates. I think Stella's pretty, so I'm going to use Stella. And then I like to kind of make headliner templates our own. So I normally just change out the colors of things. I'll go ahead and kind of pull, I typically like this purple. Yeah, I'll do that. And then I will make this text a little bit darker, just kind of improve my accessibility a little bit. And same thing with my audiogram, my sound wave. Go ahead and make that darker. From here, you can add in other things like watermarks, intros, outros. I'm just gonna add in an easy little progress bar right there, and then I'll go ahead and preview my automation.
This is an example of how your audiograms will look after you've completed setting up your automation.
And I think this looks good, so I'm going to go ahead and say, hey, it looks good, set it up, get this ball rolling. And now we can see from here, my automation is actually live. So once that clip is done being processed, Headliner will then pass it on over to TikTok using those parameters that I had set in the automatic audiogram flow. So now all that's left to do is for me to just return home and wait for that video to go ahead and process. And we can see from this modal that we've got, it's just processing right now. So once this is done, then I'll be able to hop on over to TikTok and see my lovely work in action. But that's all for today. So today you just learned how to post audiograms directly from Headliner to TikTok. If you have any questions at all for the fastest, quickest response time, I would just go ahead and email us at support@headliner.app. Otherwise, if you have any questions, comments, feedback, concerns, say, oh my gosh, we loved this. This was great. Keep it coming. We love to hear those types of things. So just drop it in the comments below. And as always, from us to you, thank you so much for being part of the Headliner and podcasting community.